Connecting a smart home device to your Echo Smart Home Hub. Your Echo Smart Home Hub can control compatible Zigbee smart home devices. You can also control smart home devices from another hub by enabling the Alexa skill for that hub, or moving the device to your Echo Smart Home Hub. To connect a compatible smart home device to your Echo Smart Home Hub without a separate hub or skill, make sure you verify that your smart home device is directly compatible before starting discovery. Install your smart home device within 30 feet or 9 meters of your Echo device or another device connected to your Echo Smart Home Hub. Power off any Bluetooth-connected devices. Reset the smart home device if you're moving it from another smart home hub. Next, say, "Discover my devices," and then put the smart home device into pairing mode by powering it on. You can also refer to the device's instructions for information on how to place your device in pairing mode. Please note that you can also connect a smart home device to your Echo Smart Home Hub from the Devices section of the Alexa app. For more help, visit amazon.com/Alexa support.